Hi everyone, it's been 2 months since the end of Inktober and I've decided to take on a new challenge. In January, there is the 30 Faces in 30 Days challenge. So I thought I might give it a shot. I've never done it before. The good thing with this challenge is that it's not limited to a particular medium, so I can try anything I want and have fun with it. My goal is not necessarily to do something that takes hours. I'm going to try to do some quick sketches sometimes, maybe sometimes more elaborate drawings. But again, I don't want to spend hours every day just to draw one portrait. And since I just finished listening to an audiobook about Charlotte Brontë, I decided to make her portrait. There are only 2 or 3 paintings of Charlotte Brontë. The very first one was done by her brother, I'm pretty sure. But the official one is by George Richmond, and that's the one that I decided to work with. It looks to me like it was done in charcoal. However, I didn't want to work in charcoal. So I started lightly with a 2H pencil, and then I went with a B to darken the lines and refine them more. But compared to the original, to me, some lines were not dark enough, so I ended up using a black colored pencil to darken some of the lines and make them look rougher, because that's what the original looks like. I also used a white color pencil for the highlights and a peach one for the lips and the cheeks and a little bit in the white of the eyes. So this was a fun project. I really enjoyed doing it. It doesn't look 100% like the original, but I really like doing it. And I'm hoping that by the end of this 30-day challenge, I'll be more comfortable, I'll be going faster, and my lines will be more confident. So that's it for day 1 of the 30 Faces in 30 Days. Thank you all for stopping by. If you like this little video, please give it a like. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing to this channel. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you tomorrow with day 2 of the challenge. Bye-bye.